Hi, my name's Zara. Some of you may know me from My Confidence Coach. I'm collaborating with the incredible Melissa to bring you a workshop, which Melissa's going to tell you a little bit more about.
Hi, I'm really happy to join you today. So we're going to offer you 2 hours to think about your vision, to allow yourself to dream about the life you want to live, and really empowering your attraction.
So at the end of the workshop, you're going to have an intention in the form of a personalized vision board. So you're going to be empowered and you're going to be inspired about what the future holds for you. You're going to be armed with some of the techniques and tools that we are going to share with you as coaches to help in your own self-development.
So we're going to unpack what's holding you back to live the life you dreamed of, really offering yourself the space to reflect.
And it's a perfect time of the year to do this as we move into the new year with New Year's resolutions. And so click on the link below and don't miss out on this incredible opportunity.
So space are limited, so be the first one to register. It's going to be a lot of group sharing, group energy, a lot of fun. So offer yourself 2 hours and click the link and join us.